Day 23. I must be crazy for doing this. Koko. So we're checking out these 8 bars from Bird Solo. That was only 75% speed. What? I think I got the line. I think that's it. Can I get it to speed though? This is so fast. Woo! Is there a conspiracy theory out there about this recording? Has this been altered, like sped up tremendously? This is unbelievable. Okay, I had to take my long sleeve off. I'm legitimately starting to sweat. So clearly that first section isn't there, and I'm gonna need a lot more time to rep that out. But the second 4 bars, check the second 4 bars out. This is from the same take. Not bad. That's getting there. That's pretty close. Now if you're playing this on tenor, you're playing a 2-5 in C sharp, and then you're playing a 2-5 in B. That's tenor key. These are like more difficult keys, obviously, but you got some great language. I mean, this is like amazing language. This is one of the lines, and this solo is gonna be on my to-do list on my whiteboard right here, and I'm gonna put that on there, and that's gonna be a year goal. I'm gonna get that down in the next year. Write your goals down, push your limits. Like I said yesterday, I pushed it today. I had to shed my long sleeve. I'm hot, I'm sweating. What is this? Is this working out? Is this music? What is this? What are we doing? Either way, have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.